welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different for me. I never participate in Halloween makeup, but I figured why not jump out of my comfort zone and test something out this year. Honestly, the true inspiration behind me wanting to do Halloween makeup was me wanting to test out wigs. And let me tell you guys, it may look good, but I have no idea how it's holding up. It literally probably is like back here on my head. It is so hard for me to figure out how to do wigs. I've YouTubed so many videos, so many different ways, and for some reason it just doesn't want to stay on my head. Or maybe I'm just a little slow because I don't know how to do it. But this purple hair was a true inspiration on me wanting to do Halloween makeup and stepping out of my comfort zone. So for today's video, I've been like researching and trying to come up with ideas on what I want to do. First, I wanted to do half of my face white with the top half normal and then kind of dripping. But I've seen so many people do that and I didn't want to do the exact same thing as much as I loved it. I think I am going to do another video, hopefully. I'm not going to promise you guys, but I do want to do another video with maybe something dripping. So I've been torn between doing this like mask off kind of face, but I feel like I've seen that going around a lot lately, so I don't know if I want to do that. So I think I want to do something like this. I saw this on Pinterest. It's I wanted to do like a color me pretty kind of Halloween tutorial. So I've been trying to find something with color and with white, like a blank canvas, and then color on the other side. So I think I want to do something infused with this kind of inspiration, and then, ooh, where is it? Mixed with something like this, maybe half of my face color or all color with like white blended in. And then I remembered Nicole Guerrero came out with a makeup look like 2 years ago, and it was this Makeup Forever inspired look where she had a whole bunch of colored and then she had like black taking over her face. So I think I want to do something like that, but with white instead. So kind of like a blank canvas and then color me pretty on this side, if that makes any kind of sense. So I don't know if this video is going to go up. I don't know what it's going to look like. I'm still waiting on my zombie colored contacts to come in because then I want to do something scary with that. Till then, I wanted to sit down and film with you guys and do something fun. So let's just jump right into the video. I'm going to pop on some music and see if I know what the hell I'm doing. So if you are new here, make sure you hit that little button down below before you go. Please subscribe, join my little family, follow me on all my social media, Instagram, and let's just jump straight into the video. So I know that the Makeup Forever Flash palettes are a thing, but I found these on Amazon for $22 together, and it came with paintbrushes as well, or like, you know, like makeup brushes, but they look like paintbrushes. So I'm going to be jumping into this one right here. It's by CCBeauty. You can find this on Amazon. And I'm not naked, by the way. I have like a little bandeau going on, but I want to color my body. So okay guys, so there's not going to be much of a tutorial to this video because as you can tell, it's basically however you interpret the photo. So it's basically going to be like a watercolored photo. I'm just going to be going into different colors such as the pink, the blue, the yellow, the green. Pink and blue make purple. So I'm basically just going to be kind of following this photo in the same shape that she's going, but still kind of making it my own. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys that it's not really going to be a tutorial. It's going to be more of a self-explanatory kind of like watching kind of video, I guess you can call it. But anyways, I'll probably be popping back in as a voiceover in a little bit. Hope you guys enjoy. So this look is basically going to be kind of tedious. You're just going to be going in with one color, then going into the other, then going back into the first color and just kind of blending them together, causing them to make their own kind of color. Like I said, it's gonna be very tedious. This look did take me about 2 hours to make, so don't let this time lapse confuse you guys. It did take a long time, but it is so easy. And the reason why it's so easy is because you can kind of do your own thing. You don't really have to follow the photo. You can kind of just blend the colors in together, kind of making it really rainbow unicorny like, and it'll still flow very well and look very watercolor-ish.
To strike.
It's funny because when you look at the photo, you can kind of tell that they still kind of contoured the cheekbones and the forehead, and then they highlighted the center of the face with the brighter colors. So although it is brighter colors, it's still kind of the same concept as makeup, just with obviously bright colors. So I'm going to be going in with a lot of the cream paint. You do want to blend this on your ears just because that's going to be like the kind of flow that we're going for. You want to cover every part of your body that is visible basically from your chest up. So once we are done placing the watercolor, eventually you're going to see me going in with more eyeshadow brushes once I'm done with half of my face and going on top of every cream color with eyeshadow. So I decided to go into the Life's a Drag Lunar Beauty eyeshadow palette. You could totally use a Juvia's Place or Violet Voss kind of eyeshadow palette, anything that has bright colors. Honestly, NYX has a really good one too. And you just want to go over all the colors that you place down with the shadows because these cream colors can kind of slide and crease a little bit. So by placing down the shadow, you kind of just set everything into place.
to strike. Now to strike.
Okay, so for this side of our face, we're only going to be doing half of this half because we're going to be going in with those white lines across our face, kind of like the Nicole Guerrero video, or her exact actually video, but she used black instead of white. But I'm going to be going into white because I'm trying to go for that blank canvas kind of color me pretty kind of look, where one side of my face does have a lot of colors and then it looks like the blank canvas is kind of going over and taking over. That's basically where my inspiration came with. I blended 3 photos that I really liked and meshed it into one. So here I'm going to be taking the NYX liquid liner and basically just drawing a whole bunch of lines across my face, just kind of mapping out where I'm going to place the white all the way on the other side of my face. You do want the ends of this to be kind of pointy. As you can see, she has it very streaky like, and it looks like the black is taking over her face. She looks very galaxy. I feel like I look like a unicorn. Is anybody getting those vibes, or is it just me? So once I'm done placing all those lines on my face, I'm going to go into the white flash color of this flash palette and just begin to really just sketch everything out and put everything onto my skin and blending it downwards. So I'm going to go in, and then I'm going to go in with a beauty blender and kind of just blend everything in together. The white is a little bit difficult to work with to make it super pigmented, so you are going to have to go over the white a good amount of times. I think I went over it at least 5 times and it still wasn't as vibrant as I would have wanted it to be, but you guys get the gist.
Now to strike.
Okay, so I felt like it needed a little bit more, so I went into all the high places of my face where you would regularly highlight, and I added a little bit of that solstice highlight to those places and on top of my lips as well. And then I ended up adding a little bit of glitter to my lips and hair, which you'll see at the end of this video, but I figured I would come on here and just let you guys know that you always need a little bit of highlight. guys, so that concludes today's video. I'm actually really obsessed with the way this turned out. I feel like exactly what was in my head is what came out here. I totally took inspiration, obviously, from Nicole Guerrero's video like 2 years ago, where she took the inspiration from Makeup Forever. Hers was totally blacked out, but I knew I wanted to do like a blank canvas kind of look, but I didn't want to do what everybody else is doing, so I wanted to do something different, and I wanted it to be called Color Me Pretty, so I wanted it to have a lot of color and just be a really fun. I just didn't know how to put it together, so as soon as I saw those two pictures, I was like, yes, bitch, that's exactly what I want, and exactly what it came out, and I'm so obsessed with it. The only thing that I wish I would have done differently was I wish I would have been able to color my lashes white, but honestly, these lashes are bomb AF, and I don't want to ruin them, and I don't have anything to make more of like cheaper lashes white. So anyways, you guys get the gist of this entire look. I went ahead and I added a little bit of highlights in the high points of my face, a little bit of glitter in my hair, and that basically completes this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me do this video. I know it was a long one, but for me, it was fun to do, so I hope it was fun to watch. And hopefully my contacts come in soon. Like, Jesus Christ, it's been like over a week, and I really want to film another Halloween video before Halloween, and I'm cutting it so close. So anyways, if I don't, I hope you guys enjoyed this one that I came up with this year, and if I do, then I guess you guys get lucky. So please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Hit that little button down below before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh my God, wait! Before I go, I wanted to talk about these lashes. Before I go, this company, LAVISHLYSHEIS, sent me a bunch of lashes, and I was kind of skeptical, but when I received them, oh my God, they were gorgeous. So gorgeous. So I will talk about these in my next video more elaborate, but they're what I am wearing right now. I will leave my coupon code down below. I am telling you guys, they are super comparable to Lily lashes. So that's basically it. So make sure you hit that little button down below before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video.